Right, so I've got my tripod set up here in Marshall Avenue. I'm gonna do some plane spotting. Usually I do it down there, but I've come here because planes are taken off here. Checked on flight radar, it's taken off here. So I've got my camera ready and I'm going to get some plane spotting. Alright, so I did a little bit of plane spotting with this camera, and yeah, I've recorded a few videos and I think the planes are too far. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do a POV photography. So I've got my camera right here and I'm going to take POV photography, and I'm going to wait for the next plane and I'm going to take photos of it. Because the photos are higher quality, because this only shoots 1080p, but when I upgrade this camera I'm going to shoot in 4K plane spotting. But for now I'm going to take photos instead. So this next plane is going to Mumbai, so I'm going to take a photo of it quickly. It's out of range. This camera does not shoot a lot of photos quickly. What I could do, I could put it in burst mode next time, put it in continuous mode. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually go handheld. And I'm going to put this tripod away. Alright, so this next aircraft is a Virgin Atlantic going to New York, so we're going to get a handheld shot of it. So as you can see, this is the handheld shots we've got. Right, next aircraft is a Vietnam Airlines going to Hanoi, so I'm going to just take a burst photo of it. The thing with this camera, I can't take many burst photos because it has to catch up. So as you can see, I took many photos of that plane. It's actually better just taking photos like that. Then I'm going to take a long range shot of it, quite far away now. I'm able to get a good shot of it. I'm going to increase the shutter speed and I'm going to wait for the next aircraft. Right, next is a China Southern going to Wuhan. So I'm going to take a photo quickly. So yeah, we've got a long range shot. It's a bit blurry. Right, next plane going to Athens. Let's take a quick photo of that. I'm going to put it back on a tripod because it's easier for the shutter speed. Right, next we've got a British Airways going to Rome. I'm going to wait for that to go over, then I'm going to get that in the camera. So you got a long range shot. You can see the blurriness of the aircraft. Next we've got a Turkish Airlines plane going to Istanbul. Let's take a photo of that. It's really hard to find the plane sometimes because when I'm so zoomed in and there's no way to track it, because if it was landings it would be so much easier to track it. Because it's takeoffs, because the wind direction of the runway is changed. Right, we've got American Airlines going to New York. Taking another photo of that. Alright, next we've got a Tokyo plane. We're going to take a photo of that. Alright, so that was my plane spotting done. I've taken a lot of photos and videos. I'm now going to put my tripod away in camera. This is how I put it away. That was a Eurowings, which is usually going to Germany, so I'm going to check it right now what plane that is. That is going to Stuttgart, but I missed it. Let's try and get a quick handheld shot. It's quite bad, these shots, because handheld is really shaky unless I put it in a high shutter speed. or higher ISO. Tripod shots are much easier. We're putting 1600 ISO. See the shots we get in 1600 ISO, we can easily get a good shot of the plane. I'm gonna take a few handheld shots as I pack away. Another plane, we're gonna see where that's going. So that's another British Airways plane. I've filmed so many of these, so I dropped the microphone. Alright, that plane was going to Edinburgh. Usually the spot where I go when I plane spot Heathrow, because they changed the wind directions, that's why I'm plane spotting from here. Because that place the planes come really low. The next plane is Lufthansa going to Frankfurt. I'm gonna take a photo of that quickly. Handheld shot at higher. Got a big field over here. This one's another British Airways plane. Let's see if I can take a quick photo of that. It's quite blurry, that photo. Looks like a nice sunset, as you can see, going to Hatton Cross. Alright.
Love the store. Can you show the store?
Yeah, show this. This is my friend's store. Feltham GDK. I'm vlogging it. So it's yeah, this one right in the middle, German doner kebab. That's what he owns. So yeah, it's my friend over here. Do you want to be my channel? Do you want to put this on video? Yeah. So he's got GDK. We're gonna and we're gonna go to this Feltham station. And yeah, so let's just show you a POV of Feltham, what Feltham looks like. So I've come down here from Heathrow, plane spotting, my tripod here.
It's going good.
Huh?
Recharge.
What?
Recharge Feltham.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. You have to give me the power bank. My battery's low now.
I'll give you the power. On the train we get power, it's fine.
Huh?
On the train we have sockets. It's cold, isn't it? Step before you look.
Hello.
Hello? Bad.
I got some free loads for Hazira.
Alright, come cross.
Hello.
Hello. That's going to Dubai, it's an Emirates plane.
How do you know?
It's an Emirates plane, I can tell it's Emirates.
Yes.
Yes.
Show me what
After this for guests only.
you showed in your channel for GDK.
I'll show you in the train, yeah?
Okay.
You're lucky to have AC inside your
They
store.
should not have AC. It's cold outside, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's making a grill. Let's wait here.
Alpha 5 for Bravo to Merchant Jeffrey's object.